Financial markets can be both exciting and risky. Success, whether you're a trader or investor, requires more than intuition. It demands strong portfolio management. It's about strategic allocation, diversification, risk mitigation, and continuous optimization. Imagine practicing these skills in a safe, virtual active environment. Welcome to Kaplan's Portfolio Management Simulation, a unique AI-powered platform where participants can dive into the world of trading without any real-world risk. This simulation allows participants to trade real-time stocks and ETFs for UAE, KSA, and US markets. Users can select a country, exchange, industry sector, search for an instrument, and execute buy or sell orders with ease. Every trade requires a deliberate rationale. Upon closing a position, our AI-backed trade analysis evaluates your logic against real-time market intelligence. This provides instant feedback to sharpen your strategy while giving trainers deep insights for personalized coaching. Participants compete on integrated leaderboards tracking returns. The summary page visualizes holdings, enabling participants to make informed adjustments. For more detailed analytics, participants can dive into various portfolio KPIs, including crucial metrics like alpha, beta, and more, giving them deeper insights into their performance against benchmarks. Participants can track their interests using a personalized watch list and customize their viewing experience with dark and light modes. The Let's Chat feature is an instant on-the-go AI support chatbot. Empower your teams with hands-on experience.